Bonjour baddies, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, by how much does 0.63 with a bar exceed 0.63 without a bar? Express your answer as a fraction. So the first part is more of like an introduction of this problem, like the first part of this problem is more of an introduction into the second part, because when we write 0.63 with a bar, this is equivalent to 0.6363 with a bar on the 63 behind it, because since it's repeating 63s anyway, where the bar you put it doesn't really matter. You could have like an infinite amount of 63s, but as long as you put it on one 63, then it's still going to be the same number. 0.63 without the bar is still just 0.63. This makes it easier for us to minus because the 63 in the front is matching with the 63 on the bottom, and you can just keep the 63 in the back the same there. So since this is just zeros in the back, 63 a bar 0.0. So now that we have this number, it also asks you to express it as a fraction. And to express 0.0063 with a bar above it as a fraction, I explained something similar to this in a previous video. It was not the exact same problem, of course, but it was like, has the same idea. Since this is a two-digit repeating decimal, we're going to multiply by 100. So basically what I'm saying is x is our original number, good old 0.0063 bar. But we can also write this when we multiply by 100 to make it easier to convert to a decimal, as 100x is equivalent to 0.63, which, like I said earlier, is the same as 6363. And we're doing this to make it easier to subtract the above number. So basically 0.6363 with a bar above it, minus 0.0063 bar, with 100x minus x to create 99x. So when we subtract this, we would get 0.63 is equivalent to 99x. So x is equivalent to 0.63 over 99. But of course, we're not going to leave the decimal on the fraction, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 100 to keep the number the same. Just get rid of the decimal. So the top becomes 63, the bottom becomes 9900. And of course, we're not going to leave it unsimplified in this form, so we're going to divide top and bottom by 9 to create 7 over 1100. So our final answer is 7 over 1100. So this is more of a multi-step problem, but one of the simpler ones. So 7, 1100. The second problem of the day is express 0.48 with a bar over adds 0.15 with a bar over as a mixed number. So like I said in an earlier video, when you have a number with the two-digit repeating decimal, if you're fluent enough with it, you can skip these steps because it basically works the same way, except these numbers, they don't have any zeros in front of it, so you don't really need to go through the process of like not making it a decimal. Like you can keep it a whole number, basically what I'm saying is. So the top one, using the same idea as this, you can go ahead and solve it if you want. You can pause the video, but the top one would have been 48 over 99. And the bottom would be 15 over 99. And since we're going to use the 100 and then the 100x minus x thing again, so it stays like that. But we're not going to keep it fraction divide by fraction. When you have a fraction divide by fraction, it is multiplying by the fraction's reciprocal. So 48, 99, multiplied by 99, 15. Simplify out the 99, so you get 48 over 15. Since it says to state it in a mixed number, since 3 15s is 45, be 3, and since there's 3 15s left, this is also equivalent to 3 1/5. So 3 1/5. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!